Start. A bench consisting of three judges of this court found that regulation has been correctly appreciated and interpreted. Full stop. This court had quoted with approval paras 14 to 23 of the aforesaid judgment of this court in Rajendra Lal Kapoor second within bracket Supra, by which the review petition, filed by the bank in Rajendra Lal Kapoor first within bracket Supra, was dismissed. Full stop. From the aforesaid referred judgments of this court, especially by a larger bench consisting of three judges, in our opinion, there is no merit in the present appeal, as the principles laid down therein have been followed by the High Court. Full stop. In the case in hand, the deceased employee had attained the age of superannuation on 31/7/1991, whereas the charge sheet was issued to him on 7/12/1991, full stop, meaning thereby that on the date of his superannuation, no disciplinary proceeding was pending against him, full stop. The arguments raised by the learned counsel for the appellant bank that the matter needs to be referred to a larger bench, as the legal fiction and true spirit of the 1976 and the 1979 regulations have not been considered by this court, is merely to be noticed and rejected, as the larger bench consisting of three judges in Canara Bank's case within bracket Supra bracket close had already considered the judgment of the division bench of this court in Rajendra Lal Kapoor first and Rajendra Lal Kapoor second cases within bracket Supra bracket close, and had reiterated the same legal position. Full stop. The observation made in para 38 of the Mahanadi Coalfields Limited within bracket Supra bracket close, as relied upon by the learned counsel for the appellant bank, will also not come to its rescue, for the reason that the observation was made while referring to the judgment of this court in Rajendra Lal Kapoor first within bracket Supra, and not the Rajendra Lal Kapoor second within bracket Supra, and also in Canara Bank's case within bracket Supra, where on a reference to a larger bench, the law laid down in Rajendra Lal Kapoor's within bracket second case within bracket Supra was reiterated. Full stop. The judgment of this court in Punjab National Bank's case within bracket Supra, as relied upon by the learned counsel for the appellant bank, is also distinguishable on facts, as in that case the charge sheet was issued to the employee concerned before his retirement. Full stop. For the reasons mentioned above, in our opinion, the appeal filed by the appellant bank is meritless, and the same is accordingly dismissed with costs, quantified at rupees 25,000. Full stop. At the time of hearing, it was pointed out by the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 that the employee had expired during the pendency of this appeal on 30/12/2012. Full stop. It has been noticed by the division bench that the subsistence allowance was not paid to the deceased employee. Full stop. As we have set aside the punishment order inflicted on the deceased employee, all the service benefits due to him, along with interest at the rate of 7% per annum from the date of his retirement till the payment is made, shall be paid by the appellant bank to his legal heirs within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of copy of this judgment. Full stop.